We're gonna go to this nutty little premiere, you know, and everybody's ready to go. Have you seen the red carpet? Yeah, it's nuts, huh? This is behind the world of Walt Disney. This is where all the creative people do their work.
A lot of stations where there's different TV shows, radio, photographers.
Good. We're gonna bypass all of that, right?
Not if I want to maintain any kind of job.
We're about 20 feet into the red carpet. What is she saying? I can't understand. Something about her language.
So do you. How are you?
You guys are missing Orlando and Johnny on your.
I know.
What day is this? Where are we? What are we doing? What day is this? June 24th. It's a Saturday. We're the premiere here at Disneyland, and it's, you know, it's really fantastic. I mean, people seem to be very excited because the whole kind of pirates, you know, fanaticism at its best. I mean, look at them. Just look at them. Don't film me. Look at them, man.
You feel like this is the last celebration before the end of the world.
Tonight is young.
Exciting, right? Every day was a lot of laughs. I mean, that's the only way you could get through it.
This is very sweet, you know, this kind of support for the film and for these characters. It's very touching.
15 hours. 15 hours.
So awesome. Thank you for the support.
The longest press line in Hollywood history. 2,000 feet of cameras, reporters, video cameras, still cameras, telephone cameras. And the most important people, these guys, the fans.
The second movie's amazing, so I'm really excited for everybody to go see Dead Man's Chest.
And now, it's time to meet the captains and crewmates of Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest.